Yeah. All right. Okay, Max. Well, actually, what's your name, sir?
Max.
Say your name for the camera.
Max.
Max. And what are we gonna do right now, Max? Jet ski. And are we gonna go super slow or super duper fast? Fast. Okay. And is there anything you'd like to say to the camera?
No.
No? Extreme close-up. Woohoo! Woohoo! Alright. What do they say when a race is going to start? What do people say? Do you know? They say, on your marks. Get set. Go! But we can't go yet because there's somebody in our way right now. Look at they're paddling. So we have to wait for him to move so we can go. Okay, racers, get ready. We are about to launch into outer space on a Sea-Doo, on a jet ski. Ready, set, and let's sing a song. It's a small world after all. outside at all times. Do not try to exit the vehicle until the ride has come to a complete stop. So, Max, how did you enjoy your ride today?
Good.
It was good?
Yeah.
Would you give a Yelp review for it?
Yeah.
What would you say?
5.
5? All right. And was your driver courteous and smelling good the whole time?
Yes.
Okay, that is great. Well, we thank you for riding. Grandpa's, what would be a good good name for my ride?
I don't know.
You don't know? Welcome to the I Don't Know ride. Everybody likes it, and I don't know why. Thank you and very much.